Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up an Amazon seller account as individual. So if you might be wondering if you can sell on Amazon as individual, the answer is yes, of course. Like, Amazon isn't just for big brands, okay? So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can set up an Amazon seller account as an individual. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log in into your Amazon account, okay? Your normal account, just log in into that Amazon account and then scroll down at the very bottom. You can see here something called like sell on Amazon. As you can see, sell products on Amazon. Click on it and it will take you guys to this page. Now, as you can see, you can click here. It says sign up. As you can see, you want to click here where it says sign up. Now, after you are okay, so you will ask you guys for your password. Just enter your password and click on sign in. Now, in the next page, guys, they will send you a verification code if you have enabled two-step verification. So I already enabled it. So I'm going to receive a code right now. And yeah, I'm going to enter the code right now, which is 085, okay, 999. Okay, 6. Now you want to click on sign in after you receive two-step verification. It will take you guys directly to this page. Now it says here business information or business locations. So you want to enter here your business, your real business information. Make sure everything is correct. Okay, so my location currently is Morocco. And here the business type, I would select here none. I am an individual. Okay, so here the first name, you just need to enter here your first name and your middle name, last name. Click on I confirm my business location and type are correct, and then understand this information cannot be changed later. After you are sure, click on agree and continue. So just give it a few seconds. I don't know exactly why this is taking so long. Just give it a few seconds. Alright, in the next page, as you can see, guys, add your favorite pages here by clicking this icon in the navigation menu. Okay, so this is exactly your Amazon seller account. As you can see, choose merchant. You can select the account here, for example this one, and then you want to select here, so for example Australia, pending registration. Now I'm going to go back. Okay, so I'm going to, for example, go with yeah, I'm going to actually go back here, and then as you can see, this is it is here download the Amazon seller mobile app. You can download the Amazon seller mobile app here if you want, and you can also change the language here. You can change it to any language you want. So currently I'm going to change it to United States, which is like English. You can also click here on settings. You can click on global accounts. You can search for whatever you want here. Okay, here registration, you want to click on it and set up summary. It will take you guys to this page. You just need to select here your business information, of course, like country of citizens, okay, like city, and then the country of birth. Of course, you will have to enter all this information, and you will ask you guys for a billing, you will ask you also for like your your address. Exactly, you just need to enter here the correct address. Okay, so I'm going to try to enter all this information right now. Date of birth here, I'm going to month December. Okay, so the year here is, okay, so 2000. All right, now I'm going to add year. Okay, so just need to enter here all your information, and also you want to enter here the characters in the above image. Okay, which is C, okay, H4N. Okay, so here the number, the phone number, you will have to enter here phone number. SMS verification language, I'm going to select English. Click on send SMS, and they will send you guys one time pin. Okay, so I'm going to enter it here right now, which is 597. Okay, 594. Click on verify, and then you want to then enter here your address line 2, which is this one, and state here is SUS. Click on next. Okay, so here the date of birth, which is Morocco. I'm going to select here Morocco. So here I'm going to go to Morocco. I'm going to select it right now. Okay, so you want to Morocco, and then country of citizens, you want to enter also the country of citizens here, which is also Morocco for me. So make sure you enter the correct information, please, because you cannot change these things. Okay, country of issue, I'm also going to select here Morocco, and then after that you want to then click on, okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to select Morocco again, and you want to then after you add all this information, you want to then enter like passport number. I'm going to enter here the passport number. All right, now here the date of birth, I'm going to select here month, okay, 16, okay, and then you want to click on next. And in the next page, guys, what you guys need to enter here, like as you can see, it says here monthly subscription fee. Of course, you will have to pay like $39 for the first month. You will continue to be charged this fee each month if you have active listings. If you don't have active listings, you will not be charged a subscription fee in that month. If you expand to sell in other stores, you will like pay like for like almost like $39, like $40. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to, guys. You want to enter here your card number, okay, and card holder name, okay, and then click on next. And in the next page, guys, you will ask you like for your store, like you just need to enter there like some information like your store name, okay, and then your like do you have like universal product codes? I'm going to select no. Do you own a brand? If you own a brand, you can select yes here. If you don't, click on no and then click on next, okay. The store name, I'm going to enter here random store name, okay. It doesn't really matter, so you just need to just enter the store name, okay. It says here not available. I'm going to add another store name. It says here available. Click on next. All right, in the next page, you will ask you guys identity address verification. So you will have to upload here your passport document and profile address here. As you can see, all these things are very easy. Just upload here your passport, stuff like that. And then the verification is going to take like 24 hours, and then you will receive an email, like the email you use to log in into your normal Amazon account. You will receive an email there, like they will say that you are accepted to sell on Amazon. That's exactly, guys, how you can create seller accounts on Amazon. Now, if you have any questions or anything, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments and drop a like on this video. That would be highly appreciated. So like I said, just go to the comments and tell me exactly your questions. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.